In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch and the countdown timer feature on your Suunto Vertical. The reason I'm showing them both is because they both fall under the same widget on the watch. So we've looked at widgets before on my channel. If you need some refresher on that, you can go back through my older videos. I'm going to simply press the down button. Now, if you're a touchscreen person, you could also use touchscreen. This basically takes you into your widgets, and one of the options you have for a widget is timer/stopwatch. When you go into this for the first time, it'll take you to stopwatch. After you go into the first time, though, it'll remember whether you used the stopwatch last time or the timer, and it'll put you in the most recent one. So I'm on stopwatch right now. You simply want to start your stopwatch. You're going to press the top right button. That starts it. Press it again. That pauses it. Press it again. Resumes. Nice thing is while the stopwatch is running, you can also see your current time. While it is stopped, if you want to reset it, just like it says, you press the bottom right button and that resets it to 0. If you want to use a countdown timer, there is no split on your stopwatch. It's basically a start, stop, and reset. That's it. If I press the down button or if I swipe, I can go down. And now I'm in my timer options. I can do a 1-minute timer, 3-minute, 5-minute, 10, 15. These are all pre-delivered. Or you can go down to custom and you can pick and choose whatever countdown timer value you want. So I can choose whatever hour. You press the middle button, go to the minutes, press the middle button again, and even specify a second duration. So now I've got a 1 hour, 3-minute, and 2-second countdown timer. Countdown timer is kind of the same thing. Press the top right button to start the countdown timer. You don't have to stay in this mode on any of them. If I swipe or if I press the middle button, it'll take me back. And I can go up, do whatever else I want to on the watch. My timer is still running in the background, as would my stopwatch be. So I can glance at it from here. Again, you can press the top right button to pause it. Press it again to resume. And while it is paused or stopped, I can press the bottom right button to reset it. Again, it's going to reset to that default value. If I wanted to change that, I would need to press the bottom button and go choose a different value. It's really simple. I kind of like it. There's not a whole lot of splits and stuff like that you can do. It's your basic countdown timer, basic stopwatch as always. And once you're done, you can press and hold the middle button, or you can swipe back to get to your main screen. And that's how you use the countdown timer stopwatch widget on the Suunto Vertical. I hope the video helped.